In the month of September, I embarked on a healthy hair growth challenge using BO hair products. I made sure to make a simple protective hairstyle that wouldn't cause my hair to break. I handled my hair with care. I made sure to eat healthy food, take sufficient water, take fruits and vegetables. Guys, after 4 weeks, even I couldn't believe what I saw. I can remember when I started my natural hair care and I struggled a lot when it comes to finding the good product or finding the right ingredients for my hair type, for my hair porosity, and even how to generally care for my hair inside and out. Well, in today's video, I'm going to put you through the entire process. You are in the right location. You are watching the right video that is going to transform your hair. If you have baldness, your hair is breaking, you have alopecia, your hairline is not in good shape, this works for both men and women. Guys, there's going to be giveaway. An entire set of products is going to be given out to one lucky winner that gets to answer all the questions correctly. So please watch to the end of the video and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so that it will notify you when I upload new videos. Here are the results. Pictures on the left side are the before and the ones on the right are the after.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My hair is looking a little bit rough, but it's for a purpose. Okay, if you're new here, my name is Brenda Okolocha. I'm a Nigerian-based YouTuber and a natural hair enthusiast. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing the length of my hair after using BO hair for an entire 1 month healthy hair growth challenge. And some of you joined me. I don't know whether you backed out, but if you finish the hair growth challenge till the ending of September, kudos to you, you did very well. So today's video, I'm going to be revealing the length of my hair. So before I started the healthy hair growth challenge, I measured the length of my hair, the front, the side and the back of my hair, and I'm going to wear the same shirt, okay, because I already used a red marker to indicate where the length of the hair was before, and I'm going to use a black marker to indicate where it's going to be this time around. So please stick around. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell, and let's get this video started. Of course, there's going to be giveaways, so stay tuned to the end of the video, okay?
So this was last month. I used a red marker to measure the length of my hair where it was before, and as you can see, this is the back view of my hair. That was where my hair was reaching. When I was done measuring my hair, I twisted it back. So another rule is that you have to make a simple protective hairstyle. Then the way you detangle your hair matters a lot. Before I detangled my hair, I made sure to sprinkle my hair with Ayurvedic leave-in tea spray, of which you guys are going to see very soon. Then applied the herbal moisturizing leave-in conditioner. That is why I didn't experience any hair breakage. So this is the side of my hair. Over here, I was really struggling to measure it. Then I made a mistake and measured the wrong place before, and this is the actual measurement. This particular one is the real measurement that we'll be going for, because I had to cut off that single hair strand that was distracting. So here is it, side measurement. Then I twisted my hair back. Okay, another thing I need you all to know is that you shouldn't include your edges, and make sure your hairstyles are not tight. Your hairstyle doesn't have to be tight in order for it to be neat or in order for it to be fine. So this is the front view. When I was done, I twisted it up again, and then that was it for the measurement. If you desire to have a healthy long hair, here are the 4 factors to look into: the way you handle your hair, the products you use, the hairstyles you make, and the food you eat. These 4 factors are very important. You can pay close attention to the products you use, but if you don't pay attention to your health, you don't pay attention to the hairstyles you make, you don't pay attention to the way you handle your hair and the hairstyles, it's like as if you are wasting your money buying hair products. Guys, I was so shocked. Even I that makes this product, I know very well that my products work very well, but seeing this measurement really shocked me. This is literally almost 1 inch just in 1 month. And of course, I went on to measure the side of my hair. I used my Ayurvedic leave-in tea spray to hydrate it, then went on to use the leave-in conditioner to soften it up. Please never ever take down a hairstyle that you do not hydrate, because it's going to break, especially when you're combing it. So make sure to do the necessary things. Anyway, hold on, because I'm going to create another video of how to carefully take down your hairstyle. Guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this. Seriously, this is where my hair is reaching now, the side. Okay, you can see the difference. You can see the difference, right? Okay, so why haven't you ordered BO hair? I am so excited. So I also went on to measure the front side of my hair, and guys, I was blown away. My next video will be how to carefully take down your hairstyle in order not to experience hair breakage.
So in order to win a hair care set to start up your hair care journey, or if you have been in the hair care journey but you want a product that is very active, here are the rules. They are very simple. I wrote them down so that I won't forget. Number 1, what does LCO method stand for? I'll catch those that have not been moisturizing their hair. Let me know the method people have been using, whether it's just water or you put oil and say that you have moisturized your hair. So what does LCO method stand for? Number 2, the average human hair grows how many inches in a month? Okay, the average human hair grows how many inches in a month? Let me know in the comment section below. Number 3, give me 2 genuine reasons why you should win these hair products. Just 2 genuine reasons. Rule number 4, how many videos have I posted so far on YouTube? Well, you have to be very smart with this one, because YouTube have a way of confusing people with short videos and long videos. So in total, how many videos have I posted so far? Number 5, I feel like this one is a bonus tip. So you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram at the Brenda Okolocha and on TikTok at the Brenda Okolocha N. Rule number 6, tag 5 people in the comment section and also share the video to 5 people. I'll be in the comment section reading. Thank you so much for watching till this moment. Winner will be announced on 8th of October, that is this coming Sunday. So if you want to participate in this giveaway, please go ahead to do the necessary things that I just mentioned. Yeah, stand a chance to win good hair care products. It can also be used on relaxed hair. So my natural hair gang, I don't see you guys slacking in this one.
For those that want to order the products, there is 20% discount off all the sets. Please send a DM via Instagram at BO Hair to order yours, or via WhatsApp at 090-5184-6475, and your product will be shipped to you as soon as possible. Please, if you want to participate in the giveaway, don't send me any answer via WhatsApp. Just drop your answers here on YouTube. I will be in the comment section reading. Okay, next videos coming up will be how to carefully take down your hairstyle and the food to eat in order to acquire a healthy natural hair, or a healthy hair in general. So here is how to use the BO hair product. First of all, your hair have to be in a protective hairstyle like I mentioned before, and then you use the Ayurvedic leave-in tea spray. This Ayurvedic leave-in tea spray is packed with lots and lots of nutrients that can really go a long way to thicken your hair, strengthen your hair, promote hair growth. If your scalp is itching you, it really go a long way to clarify your scalp, and you have to make use of it 2 times in a week. 2 times in a week, that is all. You sprinkle it all over your scalp and hair. Make sure to massage. Make sure the ends of your hair get the nutrients very well, because that's literally the oldest part of your hair, and you have to be a little bit biased when applying products on that side of the hair, because it tends to break easily compared to the rest of your hair. Next product on the list to apply is the moisturizing herbal leave-in conditioner. You're going to apply this all over your hair and your edges alone. Okay guys, you see this leave-in conditioner, it's literally the best seller in my hair care brand. So many customers have come back to tell me that this moisturizing leave-in conditioner have really gone a long way to minimize hair breakage by far. As you can see, I'm applying it on my hair strands and making sure to pay close attention to the tips of my hair, that is the oldest part of my hair, like I mentioned before. They are the oldest. Please pay close attention to them. Then I also applied it on my edges. Next step is to use the hair growth oil. Guys, you see this hair growth oil, whether you have baldness, you have alopecia, you have stunted hair growth, your hair is not strengthened, you want to strengthen your hair, this hair growth oil is packed with over 23 ingredients. The link will be in the description box of how to make this potent hair growth oil. I'm very sure you don't want to miss this out. Okay, so I'm going to use the hair growth oil 4 times in a week, the moisturizing leave-in conditioner 2 times in a week, then the Ayurvedic leave-in tea spray 2 times in a week. So let me sum it up. Ayurvedic leave-in tea spray and moisturizing herbal leave-in conditioner will be used 2 times in a week, and the hair growth oil will be used 4 times in a week. So apart from using the hair growth oil to seal in the other product, you are going to use the hair growth oil other days, okay, preferably at night before heading to bed. See you in my next upload. Bye.